for Jayden? What kind of question that to you? Eh? Uno is the problem. Uno is the problem. Uno believe in uno think say, uno right, uno look up argument, me no read. Me read everything. I might not come out and talk, so me read it. Me read everything. You understand? Me see everything we wanna write. Everything we wanna write. And we wanna write. We wanna sit down and write. It tell who you are as a person. Me I tell you straight up. Wanna come out here and write certain things. It tells say you should be out here and look for Jayden. You in at the wrong place. Cause you don't have no heart. You will treat business same way. Cause if you as a mother come out, where's the mother? Or whoever. Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. So because the mother the out here, not forget justice. No matter the out here, we not for fight for him. No, sir. Hold on, may I look past some of them comments here in a YouTube. Yeah, because over YouTube the comment come from. Over YouTube the comment come from. And we don't like comment like that. You understand? We don't like comment like that because listen, nobody no go and ask the principal why he come to nationwide and lie to the people. Listen, and a story me I make up, the principal lied to us. Him come out bare face and lie to us. And say some people, people spot Jayden. Somebody, not people, somebody spot Jayden. And Jayden is alive. Jayden is not alive. See, I now 7 months pass and nobody else has spot Jayden. What I tell Uno? What I tell Uno? The man is a damn liar. Ask yourself this. That principal there now have no reason for lie to him. If him never involved. It's because him know exactly what happened to Jayden. So him come out and him lie. And the reason why him lie, I for mess up the investigation. And it did happen. It did happen. Because what? Number one, you see how them act like them not Jayden no missing in Jamaica? And only one person out here keep Jayden name alive under the bloggers. Right now, Jayden a history in a Jamaica. And it's because of that principal. That principal of smoking body, cigar body, and whiskey body. So him can't go drink and talk with the bigger heads. That is why Jayden case stagnant. But I have news for you. Principal, I have news for you. You see how I leave you alone and today the good Lord come to me and say, listen, the principal lied to you. The principal lied and he keep on and play everything in my head. And say, I have to come out and tackle back the principal. Listen, principal. We not work with OBA. We not come with OBA to you. But may I tell you, may I go warn you now, say Jayden was walking with the Savior up above. And him, I go reveal everything out. All of Uno will come out and lie, him I go reveal everything out. Uno mess with a boy who Uno never did for mess with. Uno mess with a child where none of Uno never did for mess with. Uno ever hear that? Uno mess with the wrong person. And the police are fight the battle. Because the Savior already said the police corrupt against Jayden. The church is corrupt against Jayden. The politician them corrupt against Jayden. The principal corrupt against Jayden. So what am I going to do? Am I going to expose all of you with the corruption and the slackness? I want to mess with the wrong pitney. I want to mess with the wrong child. I want to should mess with Jayden. I want to should never touch a ear upon Jayden. You see how now? You see how now the principal? You see how now we know say you's a certified liar. You can't come back and backtrack nothing. Because we already know say you's a liar. And you lied to us. And you lied to the police them. No, you never said no, Jayden. No, Jayden, none of you never said. None. Because if Jayden was alive, somebody else would have spot Jayden other than Uno over this 7 months period. So you can definitely say you was a liar. No if, no buts, you is a liar. The truth always comes out. And now the truth come out 7 months after, you know, and the Lord hold my mouth. The good Lord hold my mouth. Because He want to show me, say, look now, look for yourself. I want to with God, you know. Him not come out and say, this, that. Him show you. Look now, 7 months, and only the principal alone said spot Jayden alive and well. So now, we get the confirmation. You come out and you lie. You're a liar. Nobody else to Jayden. Nobody else. Only the principal. So now you see them lie to us Jamaican people. And this are the man where we trust we pity them with. This are the man where we trust we kids them with. Jamaica, looking out. This is the man we left for picking them in the care of. This principal who come out and lie to us for no reason at all. Yes, that simple mean. Him have no reason for lie if him never do nothing to Jayden. But because him know what happened to Jayden and him a part of what happened to Jayden, him come out and him have to lie. And the lie when lie is fake. Divert the investigation. That's what he came out and do. Because when he come out and say, people spot Jayden, that simple mean police them start look for Jayden, and that's what happened. Yes. 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 Let me tell you something. I know everybody who go church a Christian. I know everybody who go church a Christian. Let me tell you something, principal/pastor. If your people them really not serve God the right way, it would have revealed say you're evil in that church. Yes, it would have revealed say you have something to do with Jayden. Just like how him reveal it now to us that you're a liar, him reveal it to every Jamaican people who have sense. Him alone see Jayden 7 months ago. Nobody else. No other person. So you definitely know him is a liar. Jayden, nobody knows see Jayden. So when now I come and say, when I go come, Jayden never eat more than the norm leader. It's a total lie. Everything when step on nationwide is a big fat lie. People, this man come out here and deceive deceive us. Everything this man come out and tell us when talk on nationwide about Jayden was to mess the investigation up, so it be more likely for him friends and family, him friend and people them get away with the perfect crime. This man never give a damn about Jayden Smith, the principal. Never give a flying shit about Jayden Smith. Not one flying. Him never care nothing. Zero about Jayden Smith. Him care. The only person him care about was the evil family. See them for yourself. See them for yourself. Who can see or see? The man come out here and tell us one bag a lie. Just like the long neck girl. This principal have everything and know everything what happened to Jayden Smith. Him come out as a distraction for help him friend them get away with the crime or whatever them do to Jayden. Him come out and do that for them. Yes. When him come out and say him see Jayden, this and this and this. Ask on yourself now, because I have sense. If him claim them spot Jayden, somebody spot Jayden. How much months and nobody else will spot Jayden? What I tell you now? What I tell you now? Him come up on nationwide and him lie. This is a man who should